Hello. I'll start you guys off with spacing. Under the Layout tab, under the Paragraph section, there is an area called Spacing. So when you want to have a spacing before or after, you would just add, this is spacing before your line of text and after your line of text. So now let's say I just want to do it on this first line. It only applies to the paragraph. If you want to do a line spacing, you would first select the paragraph, the lines that you would like. Under the Home tab, when you see the double arrows going up and down in the paragraph section, this is a line and paragraph spacing. So this applies to your lines in between. So this spreads out your paragraph. Before, that was before and after your paragraph. This is within your paragraph. You can always do a remove before and remove after, and that removes the spacing that you just added. Also, in this video, I will show you the bullets and numbering. So, if I want to add a bullet list, let's say it is with this. So I would first select it. Under my Home tab, I have a bullet and numbering list. So if I just click the bullets, it gives me these. I can always increase the indent by clicking on this, and that moves it in, or I can decrease and it moves it back. Now, if I don't like the plain bullets here, I would go to the arrow next to it, and here are some options that they give you as presets. If you don't like those options, you can always go to Define New Bullet. Here, you can change the symbol to anything you would like. Let's say I want to do a club. All right. Or I can insert a picture from online. And here I can change the font there. So font color changes it, not the underlined color. So that was bullet. It's the same option if you did the numbers. Now let's say I want to change this one and I want to, you can either select the tab key to indent it, or you can also do the increase option here as well, and it changes this. Let's say I want to change my increase part bullet to a different, let's say spade. Okay, you can also change the color on that if you like to, just by going to Define New Bullet, Font, and changing the color. So now let's say I want to do a numbered list. It's the same effect. You can choose what type of numbering you would like. You can also define the new numbering format. This just tells you the order of it. You want it 1, 2, 3, etc. You can change the font color here as well. Number format will start as this. Let's say I want to do, like, if you were taking notes for a class, 1.2. So 1.1. So the last number would always be a 0.1. If you want to renumber something, so if I were to type this in, see how it changes to a 1, and I want that to be a 2. So I would just click on it. It selects both since they're on the same level. I'll just click on this one, right click, set number value, and here you can change it to 2. And that's bullets and numbering, and working on your increasing and decreasing on your indents for bullets.